I don't think I've ever done an unboxing in a video, ever. For decades, about a decade, I don't know. So about a decade or so, maybe a little bit more, these have been our sawhorses. I have 4 of them. They're Home Depot specials. You just, screw on a piece of 2x4 at the top of it. It's stamped steel, riveted together. The legs pop out. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. The legs pop out like that, and then they fold back up again. All is well. You got to make sure you put them on the ground like this, so that leg is downward. They have served us well. We have used them a lot, but it was time for an upgrade. This is in line with the eventual upgrade to the shop we're going to be doing. So without further ado, let's go to that first unboxing of stuff, because I've never done an unboxing. I don't know what I'm doing. What I have here are 2 large boxes that contain our new sawhorses. And I'll open them up. I won't show you the labels. Okay. So first things first, the foam packing. Always have the foam packing. Foam packing. Take these off first. The destructions, you still don't know what they are, who they are, whose manufacturer they are. More foam packing. And now the great unveiling. Oop, more stuff in here. The great unpacking. Bora Speedhorses. So, you've seen these demonstrated a lot, I'm sure, on YouTube channels. I bought these specifically because of the reviews that I saw for them. Yes, they cost more. And I do believe they're probably worth that extra amount of money. So, since I've seen the videos, I'll do a quick demo of how they work. Basically, you got a handle here. You've all seen these. There's a little pull switch here. And see if this works. Oh my, look, it works. And these are going to pack up, store a lot easier in the shop than those. The footprint's smaller, and I could make shelves for them, and that'd be kind of nice. So that's how that works. And let's see, how do you close the? Oh, you push the button. Well, I got to figure it out. Anyhow, not going to try that. So nice little features of these things you've probably already seen. There is a step here. So you can, wrong camera angle. So there's a step here on 2 of the legs. So you can stack a piece of lumber up like this, going this way. Maybe do some work on it. One of the things I really, really like about this, and let me get the camera a little closer and show you what I'm talking about. The feature I'm referring to is the vast majority of all of these new sawhorse designs have a mount on the ends, so you can mount a 2x4 in there to rest your workpiece on. Now, with the majority of those, I think all of them except this one, that 2x4 mounts flush with the top of the sawhorse. Now, the problem with that is you can put your workpiece on here, but you also add the risk of possibly hitting the sawhorse with your saw blade. With the Bora, on the other hand, it's shallow. The 2x4 gets mounted here like so. It's proud of the top of the sawhorse. Oops, there goes my wood. My demonstration piece. It's proud of the sawhorse, the thickness of a 2x4. So now you have a flush surface all the way around, and you avoid the risk of hitting the sawhorse with your saw blade. Now, of course, I read the instructions, and there's a handle in here, a release up inside here, and you pull that release, the clips snap it into place, flip it around, hit the release, snap it into place. And now it's all packed up and ready to go. Yeah, I know, it's very much like my old ones. It's a little easier. Bear with me. Now, do I think the little neat trick that they did at the end of their sawhorses to have nice big flush cutting surfaces away from the sawhorse is worth the extra money? Not that feature, not alone. But all in all, I think it was worth the extra money we spent on these. And they're extremely robust and heavy. This is not light gauge steel at all. This is probably going to last forever. Now, this came out of the shop overhaul fund. We have a fund set aside. We saved money for the shop overhaul. We're still waiting for wood prices to come down more. This is the actual first tool that we bought out of that fund. And so I could do a freaking unboxing. May or may ever do that again. But anyway, I bought 4 Boras. I think we're going to be very happy with them. And with that, make great things out of wood.